Spy apps, also commonly known as monitoring software or parental control tools, allow users to monitor a target phone's activity remotely from a central dashboard. Designed primarily for parents tracking their children or employers keeping tabs on company-owned devices, these apps give you remote access to call logs, text messages, social media activity, and GPS locations. Before diving into the technical mechanics, it is critical to understand the legal boundaries. Using a monitoring app is legal only on a device you own or on a device where you have explicit, informed permission to monitor the user. Secretly installing spyware on someone else's phone without their consent is both illegal and unethical. Most major monitoring platforms, such as mSpy, FlexiSPY, uMobix, and KidsGuard Pro, rely on the same core underlying architecture to collect data. On Android devices, setting up the app almost always requires physical access to the target phone, even if only for a few minutes. Whether the Android device is rooted or unrooted, you must manually install the app or follow an automated setup process, like the one found in uMobix, which automatically grants the app the high-level system permissions it needs to operate. Once installed, the software hides itself completely in the background under generic, system-sounding names like Play Service or Update Service to prevent unauthorized removal. From there, it quietly logs keystrokes, social chats, and location data, while more advanced tools like mSpy and FlexiSPY can even record videos, ambient noise, and phone calls. All of this captured data is synced directly to your secure online dashboard whenever the target device connects to the internet, though real-time features like live camera or microphone streaming require a continuous, stable connection. Monitoring an iPhone follows a noticeably different procedure depending on how much data you need to access. Most platforms like mSpy do not strictly require physical installation or software downloads on an iOS device. Instead, they operate remotely by extracting data directly from the target user's iCloud account. However, this non-intrusive method is limited exclusively to data stored within cloud backups, such as photos, videos, call histories, and saved contacts. If you need full, real-time access to live social media tracking, remote camera streaming, or call recording on an iPhone, the target device must be jailbroken to bypass Apple's strict system sandboxing. FlexiSPY is currently one of the leading platforms designed specifically for these advanced, jailbroken iOS configurations. Finally, because these apps are deliberately hidden to prevent quick removal, uninstalling them requires you to first unbind the device from your web-based control panel before performing the manual uninstallation process on the target phone itself. And that's how spy apps work on Android and iPhone. If you found this explanation helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more clear monitoring app guides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.